With our new conversation editor, we now offer two different modes of customization. Our standard mode includes our tried and true variable-based architecture, along with conversations designed by our experts for the best deliverability rates. We now offer a custom messaging mode, giving you more control over your message content and allowing for comprehensive customization beyond just variable edits. This allows you to adjust messaging to align more with your brand and tone, provide more context with your message, support localization nuances, and personalize outreach for specific segments. Let's explore some ways you can edit messages using custom messaging. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the correct permissions to use custom messaging. Head over to your user profile settings, scroll down to the appropriate section, and make sure the custom messaging box is checked. To get started, open the conversation editor and select the conversation you wish to edit. Click the drop-down labeled Standard Messaging and select Custom Messaging. You now have full editing access to the messaging. You'll notice that the question posed at the end of the message is not fully editable, and instead a drop-down with the question stated in various ways. This ensures the AI can accurately respond to your contacts with the right intent model. Clicking anywhere within the message begins the editing process. For example, if you want to remove a word like "our" between content action and content type because it makes more sense for your company, you can do that. You can also rearrange the sentence structure to your liking. For example, if you have colder leads and you feel it's important to mention your company and product description first, you can do that before jumping into what they engaged with. There's also the option to modify pronouns. For example, changing "I" to "we" if you want to speak on behalf of your entire company. Custom messaging also gives you all the font customization functions you would expect. If there are parts of your message that need to be bolded, underlined, or italicized to highlight their importance, you can now do that. Within the font functions, you can also create bulleted or numbered lists. A great use for this could be an upcoming webinar you're inviting contacts to, where you want to quickly highlight the agenda. All of this freedom can seem a bit overwhelming, but you don't have to go it alone. Our custom messaging mode also comes with a helpful Rewrite with AI tool, which generates and refines your messaging with intelligent suggestions, easing the burden of starting with a blank canvas. To ensure your custom messaging goes as smoothly as possible, keep these best practices in mind. Save frequently to ensure no changes are lost when switching between modes. Test extensively by previewing and validating messaging using the Send Test feature. Conduct A/B testing to compare different versions of your messaging. Keep a record of your changes to track the evolution of your customizations. Using custom messaging can really elevate your experience in keeping Conversica aligned with your brand when used appropriately. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to explore the wealth of resources available at Conversica.com. Visit our Conversica community, browse our blog, or delve into our resource library to discover more about the exciting world of generative and conversational AI in enterprise.